Nature's purest body cleanser ever. Nature's most trusted correctional herbs. Natural remedies for healings and wellness. Take a decision today and subscribe to a lifetime wellness and healthy route bounded in a wealthy lifestyle. All products are inspired by nature to reduce blood sugar level, reduce high blood pressure, improve quality sleep, improve bowel movements and aid digestion, correct infertility, treat and clear acne and pimples, reduce menstrual pain, rejuvenate and replenish dead cells, regulate blood flow, increase mental alertness, increase libido and sexual stamina, treat rheumatism and ulcer, improve vision, memory and concentration, promote healthy skin and reduce fast aging, and much more. Nature's Renaissance International (NRI) has over the years and still counting created groundbreaking platforms for ordinary people to live and enjoy life. All NRI products are NAFDAC approved and has been tried, tested and trusted with practical testimonies on proven integrity. Sign up and stay on with NRI.
Log on to www.nrilimited.com.
Nature's Renaissance International. Health and wealth in every move.